Tungo, Saho District, Nellie Powell, Destin, Sato Ladido, Sato Down, Adjo Ladido, my grandpa raised me. I got one brother and two sisters. Brother and sister of Mvto. Just me and my half sister, how you are. Yeah, Inokida Mahuga. And he's taking the Nayabudua, and he's getting Takpada again. And he took this is a hundred, she's a thousand. Mongudos. They said I had to go see doctor. Grandkids move. Home with the chair, no system with the is mom. We'll bring you food to exactly. Mukos. Who don't get it. What? Had I like to the sheet there? Oh, did you go to stuff? I didn't have COVID after all, but I'm be arguing with some wood. Fixum with their ducking, grandkids will fix with their ducking. Muy to honey, I'm because hey, Charlie would do honey, Kazak. Muy punaya, wake us up, Muy stuck for it on. Had I moved in Pidagimo in the Hitchak, COVID. What he would hit go to most, especially. Piraga, he's a grandkids move. He's out, I'm in a walking. You can't come over to that dog. Had a hard like Steamy Haka gets over there. We'll not get the thought of doing into this and not more. Hey, must go the language. So good I like a Piragu in Bunai, Piragu in Bunai. Kicks like you don't do as and stay to me and Bunai, Jazz and Yard of your own. Moods in Bunai, I know, Armour your bush creek gets up. In Bunai, not much far of it. I didn't answer it back. I said, no one can get the tails up now. Must go get in Brian, I get let up skates up. I two more some my great grandbabies when I out there. Sometimes my two youngest ones, grandsons, when I out there, sometimes yards up and out. I work, get like good. We are those small one. Simbunaya can Amabu had Azulaga no Simbunaya no and my Boska. When I tell them to respect their elders, talk to their elders, when they talk to you, talk to them back. Azulaga, I get to do the dog get a not too much accident to us. I studied me when I have to do Adam. Negative gain is out of Mura. We didn't grow up like that yet. So. Anyways. Yeah, Mvskoke language was my first language when I Sabotage, I said Sabotage Dari. Marie was in Punai, William Smith and Sabotage on. Such a let's do that's the test. Punano, I may have worked on. Had a story to tell a story gets up here. How you wish to Dari Punaya. From the behind it all. Pila get up, not catch up, not the marble heads at Annapolis. Kitla Biros, who get on high you are, Mark, when it's a hung up to those. Who get to do that? tin mambo has a little hage. Tin pirage mo oja sinua mama mo like ma mo. Hayua patano mato. Not mo na ali. Hayua o do easy do. And una one creek la we ito des bahan ya mo no le pasade biding man garden mo o jidon na bahan ya din ma men home ni ko mo muy sa jo du mat haywa la sisi se hadido tipu nei mudar haywa. It's hard. Ajulaga mo sumidi tunga. You're lucky to talk to somebody that will talk. Like I said, my grandpa taught me, and he said back in the day that it was gonna be taught English mainly. It was gonna do what's called Greek language. It's coming. Slowly but surely, we're gonna see things. Kids now they're gonna see things that we grew up with. It's gonna be harder on them. It's like this. So, no, go be this. Who will it is? You need to have you need to have it's like the lights and everything. It's going to be hard on y'all. Because y'all younger. What we went through, it's going to be harder on y'all. It's going to be no McDonald's. That's going to be hard too. Mazio's. Wow. What was it like learning English growing up? I didn't like it. We had to learn. We had to learn in school. I went to law school, Henrietta, south of Henrietta, and graduated from Grand. All them years that some of us talk Creek, but we talk Creek where they couldn't hear us. We touched it when they do much to get.
How long did it take you to learn English?
It took me a good while. In grade school, because that's all we talked in grade school was Creek at Law. Because it was all creeks down there. It took us a good while.
Were there teachers? Did the teachers speak Mvskoke also? No.
They were.
Did any of them learn Mvskoke from you all? No.
That's all we took to talk. Yeah. It was. But we played ball and picture that hockey man. Basketball. We used to play on dirt. Basketball. We tried our best. We tried the best we could. But as we was growing up, we do a lot wrong. You don't know as we graduated.
What do you think about technology today? What do you think about these cellular phones?
I don't carry mine. No, I don't do. I'm not very good at computers.
What about teaching through technology? Teaching Mvskoke language?
I don't think I can do that.
well, just the nation in general. So, as you mentioned about, us having a hard time. So we're all connected to these, and the younger kids are too. So a way to connect to them is through these devices. Mm-hmm. Is that what do you think?
The way you would connect with talking.
I don't know. I'm just trying to think about ways of bringing those together,
Uh-huh.
you know, and I don't know, I mean,
Well, that, first of all, when we was growing, we didn't have technology like that. We didn't have ABCs or numbers or anything like that. What they spoke to us, we learned.
person to person.
Yeah, that's how we learned. But with the verbs and now, and I talk to these young kids that are trying to learn how to talk Creek, and some of them, they don't understand. They don't understand. You know, that's what, you know, so we just thought that's what it is. They're learning different ways, they're not learning the old ways. Like I said, you know, I'm old school.
That's what I said before is, you know, now they teach you the alphabet and all that. And when I was growing up, and when I was little, I was fluent. That's all I spoke. But I said, I didn't learn no alphabet. It was just listening to my parents and elders speak, and that's how I learned. But I didn't learn doing the alphabet.
More than one.
Wa mình lagi ona ho ya. Di mana ke do mu? Ona ho ya.
More than
Ai wa se mo na ho ya man engkang akak ka te mata ka do.
Maga bir one is. Not maksat için gisi guru sakayası. Sakayası. Ti acılaga men timbuna yapma men mabo el mabo her han muksi. Mari gosti tu ikram situ.
What I'd said to her was that our language, for what we're talking, is different from what they are being taught now. It's all, it can change by your expression, you know, than the way it's taught now. It's more verbal the way it's taught now, whereas now it's all in expression.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And, it's like more, what we're talking is from here instead of from here.
Oh, yeah.
But that's how we were taught, like she was saying, that's the way we were taught, so.
Well, back in Carol mo kitagi na mo. And Carol, my cousin, my auntie, si Mahalo, you know, little ones. He think it's like a roast market. No, Tinsong Gaida, no more bonanza gets it. Tinsong they got to get it. So don't lose it. Anyway, me goes up to that Yardika Indian Baptist Church, my church store. But I've got some of that to Thompson Billy Dottie. I've got some of that to do. I did a ceremonial with my Godzilla Hooper, Hickory Bell, just right down the road, but my ground. My elders, I'm gonna lose about it was all my elders. You know. Like my Lila Daddy, my Muwit in Bunahu, my Muwit Portugal still around. Ada Sabuta Daddy, my Ambunai, Satski, Satskujimo. That was all that was taught. That's how I learned. They were a big influence on me. And not as of not studying in not as good. They taught me how to cook the old way and learn that.
What was the, so living down there in that area, what was the big city you would go to?
What was the big city I went to?
Yeah.
Destin.
What was that like? What'd you do in Destin? Go to the store?
Yeah, I go store,
What did you get?
Gray store, that's what that was.
What
Gray
did you get?
store.
What was the big special treat that you would get?
Big special treat was a pop.
Pop?
Pop,
Yeah.
orange pop. Yeah. And then there was another store, Nargany. We had a bus driver, his name was Stanley Gas. He lived just right down the road. And that That old store burnt down there. That was about oh,
Proctor's, don't you?
I think so.
Proctor's.
That's where.
I know what, so we'll do.
That's where we used to stop there. Bus driver used to stop there and give us some, not give it pop or treat, as he called it. Yeah.
Was that store owner Mvskoke?
Still had the
Did he know Mvskoke language?
doors on. He was an elderly man. I'd school, we went to Dustin School. Went there. It was me and Joanne Jack, I didn't get it. I'd Jim Roberts, Johnson Roberts, I didn't beat up and poor little. They had the best chocolate milk in there to that school. Didn't look for behind us, I'm gonna get me and Joanne Jack Daddy. I'll argue you. Du också på gården och till before I was trying to sell some chocolate milk out of that. Because it was just a nickel, you know. You could slide it out and it was yours. That was one of the best times we had. Well, that's all my legal project I have.
Yeah, Mvto,
Uh-huh.
as it's
My old TRT.